I am so excited, and I can't believe I'm actually making my first YouTube video. You knew how long I've been procrastinating on making this YouTube video? Look at me. Can't even speak right. But anyway, let's get to why I chose to make a YouTube video. My name is Jackie, and I enjoy crafting. So this is what my channel will mainly be about: me crafting, showing videos on how I make wood signs, mugs, tumblers, shadow boxes, t-shirts, you know, different things. Also talking about how you can get into a crafting business, supplies that you need, the tools that you need, you know, things that I have. I'll show you how my setup is. I'm excited to be here. I cannot wait to grow with you all. And if you have any questions, if you have any comments that you would like, or give me any ideas that you would like to learn or see, please leave it below so I know what my next videos can look like. But I will have videos showing you guys how I make wood signs and tumblers and mugs. Think about what you want to see and let me know. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment below. And stay tuned for my next videos. Be safe out there.